So basically, I just have a couple of things I want to say. The first thing is I interacted with a lot of students today because I was not taking the examination. I was going to the center. I was just calling up some of the people I know who have taken the examination, all the students. Not one person was extremely happy or very happy with how they performed. Everybody was feeling like they underperformed. That I think basically tells me that the paper was tougher than what people expected as far as 2024 is concerned. That is the first thing. The second thing, like Sally was saying, is even I would tell you to not focus too much on what has happened. But because all of us are human, I feel that it is very difficult to let it go. We would still be like obsessed about what question went right, what question went wrong. But like she's saying, maybe spend 1 or 2 days, just go like let it play out where you feel that okay, these are the questions, discuss to your like heart's content. But at the end of 2 days, start focusing on that. The third thing I would want to say is the Cracku score calculator will be live immediately within 5 minutes of the response sheet coming out. We expect the response sheet to come out on December 5th because based on what happened when Code conducted the exam last time, I think it conducted on 2019. In 2019, at that time, it conducted the examination on November 24th and the response sheet came out on November 29th. That is 5 days later. If we are going by the same thing, CAT happened on November 30th. So we expect the response sheet to come out on December 5th. We don't have any idea, any more information other than the fact that last time Code conducted it, it took 5 days to give the response sheet out. So we are expecting the response sheet to come out on December 5th using the same logic. And we have all the code ready. And we feel that based on whatever experience we have with respect to predicting the percentile or by using the data that the response sheet actually brings about, our percentile predictions I think are extremely accurate. Last year, for example, out of 2.9 lakh students who have taken the examination, close to 90,000 people have actually uploaded their response sheet on Cracku. That is nearly 1 in 3 people have uploaded their response sheet on Cracku. And I personally look at the scaling and the expected percentile because there is so much data and somebody needs to work on it full time to give an expected percentile. And because I've been doing it for the last few years, I actually feel that our estimates are pretty accurate. Last year, many people actually told us that our estimated percentile and our scaling is like extremely accurate to the degree that the actual percentile that they got and the percentile that Cracku predicted was just varying by 0.01. It is not very difficult to be honest because when 90,000 people upload their response sheet on Cracku, with so much data, you can actually give a pretty decent prediction, which is what we are planning to do this year also. One of the reasons we are actually going to do that is because I want to remove all this uncertainty in the minds of people, where people are worried that, okay, what are the colleges to apply for? What should I prepare for that? Should I prepare for next year's CAT? All of these things, all of this uncertainty, anxiety, I want to remove. That is the reason I put a lot of effort into going through those percentile predictions based on the data. And I'm actually pretty confident that the percentile predictions that we give are very accurate. So whenever the response sheet comes, Cracku score calculator will be live within 5 to 10 minutes. So upload it, then you'll get a pretty decent understanding of what you're